Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Anywhere Elementor in WordPress. This is a powerful plugin that allows you to insert Elementor templates anywhere on your site, giving you much more flexibility with your designs and layouts. Let's get this set up quickly so you can start using it right away. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Open your browser and navigate to your WordPress site's admin area. This is typically found by adding /wp admin to the end of your website URL. Enter your username and password to access the back end of your site where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu where you'll see a list of options. Find and click on Plugins. This will take you to your plugins page where you can manage all the plugins currently installed on your site. From here, click on Add Plugin, which you'll find near the top of the page. This button opens up the WordPress plugin repository, giving you access to thousands of free plugins that can extend your site's functionality. Now you'll see a search field appear in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it and type in Anywhere Elementor. Make sure you spell it correctly with a capital A, capital W, and capital E to get the right results. As you type, WordPress will automatically start showing you matching plugins. Once the Anywhere Elementor plugin appears in the search results, you'll see an Install Now button right next to it. Go ahead and click on Install Now. WordPress will begin downloading and installing the plugin to your site. This process usually takes just a few seconds, so you won't have to wait long. You'll notice the button text changes as the installation progresses. After the installation completes, the Install Now button will change to an Activate button. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. This step is essential because installing a plugin doesn't automatically turn it on. You need to activate it before you can start using its features. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated Anywhere Elementor on your WordPress site. The plugin is now ready to use, and you can start creating and inserting Elementor templates wherever you need them across your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.